Today I will show you how to design a chair in AutoCAD. So just be with me. Draw a line of 10 mm. And now draw a line of 13 mm at the angle of 118 or 17, any angle. Okay, 13. Now just press the escape button and join this line by clicking on join. J, enter. Okay, now take the offset of 3 mm and click on the line. Now here I have taken the offset of 3 mm and join the both line. And here also join it. Now draw a rectangle from here to here. Okay, now use the command of fillet. F, enter. And take the radius of 1 mm. Just fillet all the edges. Now it's ready, and for the 3D just change the view from here. Go to the ISW isometric. Okay, and now use the press pull command and just press pull it 5 to press pull it 10 mm. Okay, and also press pull it 10 mm. And now just draw a circle. Draw a circle of 0.5 mm and use the command of sweep command. Click on the circle, hit enter and click on this rectangle. Now go to the right view. From here to right view, draw a line in the middle of this. If you will go here, you will show a middle point. This is the midpoint. Okay, just draw a line between of this and take a mirror command. Here is the mirror command and just click on this object. Now right click and mirror by this line. Okay, now the object is successfully mirrored, and what you have to do, just delete this line and select the whole design, whole drawing like this, okay, and rotate it by 90 degree from this point. Rotate it by 90 degree like this, okay. Now go to the SW isometric and go in the realistic view. So the chair is ready now. We have to fill color only. See how it's looking. Chair is ready now. And for the material, I'm hiding these icon. Now we'll apply the material. So take the material command and see for the legs we'll apply the metal. We'll take the metal, just drag and drop here, and what this one. Applied the metal command for the legs, and for chair we'll apply the fabric material. Not looking good. Apply the different. This one is good. Okay, so the chair is ready. Just see. How the chair is looking, and just delete this 2D line. Select the 2D line and delete it. Polyline, click on polyline and delete it. Now see how the chair is looking. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.